In this video I am going to show you how to remove blank rows in Google Sheets. Removing blank rows is important for maintaining a clean and organized dataset, as it can disrupt sorting, filtering, and calculations, leading to inaccurate analysis and reports. Open your Google Sheet and follow these steps. Select the blank row. Right-click on it and click Delete Row. To delete the remaining blank rows under your data, scroll to the bottom of your dataset and click on the first blank row below your data to select it. Hold Shift and scroll down and click the last row to select multiple blank rows. Right-click on the selected rows and choose Delete Rows. This will remove all the empty rows beneath your data, keeping your sheet clean.